How to track lost or stolen iPhone from another iPhone. Lost or stolen iPhone, here's how to track it using another iPhone. So, step one, on another iPhone, go ahead and open Find My app. It's pre-installed on all iOS devices. So head over to the section and then use the search bar to look for Find My, and then you should find it here. So click on this. And then from here, go ahead and sign in with the Apple ID linked to the lost iPhone. Use your iCloud credentials. Select your lost iPhone from the device list. The map shows its last known location. If nearby, tap play sound to make it ring or enable lost mode to lock the phone and display a message with your contact number. If recovery isn't possible, choose erase iPhone. This wipes all data to protect your privacy. And that is how to track lost or stolen iPhone from another iPhone.